Island Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose, and today I will be showing you guys how to make an easy pull apart garlic bread pizza dip. This recipe is so easy, guys. You wouldn't even think how easy this recipe is. You don't need much, okay? You need a few ingredients. I'm sure you have them already, but if you want to see the recipe, keep on watching. And also, guys, if you're a subscriber, you have not click the notification bell, please do so for me right now. When you are done, comment down below. Let me know down below that you did click the bell, because a lot of you guys telling me that you're not getting my notification, and I don't want you to miss my recipe. So if you're a subscriber, hit the bell. That's how YouTube will send out notification whenever I upload a delicious recipe. Also, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, to begin, in this bowl, I'll be adding 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Also, I'll be adding about 1/3 cup of cream cheese with 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Now you can skip the ricotta cheese if you don't like ricotta cheese. That's just the recipe, okay? I can't change it. Now I'm adding some Italian seasoning, dry pepper flakes, a little bit of salt, and we're going to give that a quick mix until everything is well combined. Then in this baking dish here, I don't know why I spray it, but oh well, I am going to add my cheese mixture. Give it a spread. Now I am going in with the pizza sauce. Now you can use whatever pizza sauce you prefer. I'm just using any regular, I don't even know what brand I'm using. I think it's Ragu, I'm not sure, but just pour that all over the cheese mixture, and then we're going to add some more mozzarella on top of the pizza sauce. All right, here we have the Pillsbury dough. Okay, what makes this dough really special is because it came with the cheese in between it already. It's just amazing, perfect. Okay, I told you guys this recipe was going to be easy, and yep, it is easy recipe, perfect for those football games. Yeah. Quick and easy. That's what we do over here on Island Vibe Cooking. Quick, easy, get it done. We're hungry, they trying to eat. So I am going to form the dough into like a ball shape, and this is what they look like. Okay, and then I am going to make a garlic mixture. Now you can make it as garlicky as you want. I use about 1 tablespoon of garlic with 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt that, and then we're going to spread it all over the dough. But before I do, I'm adding some pepperoni. Okay, this is a pull apart pizza bread. Okay, I am adding some pepperoni on there as well. I'm pretty sure this is very optional. You can add sausage, you can even add chicken if you want. I'm sure it'll taste amazing, especially with chicken. Yep. So this is what it looks like before I even put the garlic butter on top of it. So I am just going to spread the garlic butter all over. Oh my gosh. All over the bread or the dough. And then we're going to bake this on 350 for 45 minutes. Now make sure it's at the lower rack of your oven, or you can cover it as well if you want. And this is it right here, guys. This one right here is a winner on any type of game night. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to Island Vibe Cooking. Thumbs up the video for me. Let's get it to 300 likes, and let's give it a taste. Okay. guys, time to taste this delicious pull-apart bread. I'm looking at it right now. It's just, oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so cheesy. All these cheeses. I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay? Oh, I can't wait to try it. Let me try it. Oh my god. It's so fluffy. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below that you hit the bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you see that it was looking delicious, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.